In this part, we are going to pass the name to the card instead of 3 cards all are John Doe. But as you can see, all the cards are aligned on the left side. So before we start, we make some changes on the CSS. So back to the CSS and go to the card. We change it to 0 auto and 10 pixel. So now 0 pixel on the top and auto on the left and right and 10 pixel at the bottom. Now as you can see, it looks better at the center. Now we are going to pass the name from the app.js to the card components. Actually, this is the same as we passing the card's name here. We now create a property name is equal to, such as Alan Smith. But there is nothing happen because we need to change at the card component. We have to pass the props here. We can also delete the bracket because there is only one argument. And here we can console.log to print out the props and see what happened inside our component. And as you can see, there is a object with name Alan Smith, which passing from the app.js, and there is nothing at the other two cards because we haven't named the card at here. Now we back to the card component. We delete the original name John Doe and we create the props.name as we already named it as name. So we can go back to the screen and see now there is Alan Smith here and there is no name here because we haven't passed any name at the two other cards. In the next part, we will also pass the name, title, and also the profile image to all the 3 cards.